Hello friends, I am really very excited about this video because in this video I have started a video series lecture on very important topic. Friends, I think some of you might not like it and some of you might like it. But trust me, this is really very important topic for each and every citizen of this nation. Yes friends, I am talking about stock markets. Friends, from this video I am starting a video series lecture on stock market for working professionals like doctors, like accountants, like engineers, lawyers and other professionals. I will start from the beginning, and from beginning we will go to intermediate level, then we will go to advanced level. My target will be to transfer my knowledge which I have gained from many stock market gurus to all of you in very simple and precise manner. As I am a working professional doctor, I know you all are not having much time to give dedication to stock market, but you all want to invest or trade in stock markets. So friends, I would request you to give 5 to 10 minutes every 2 to 3 days to this video series lectures to learn about stock markets. I hope you will like this. So friends, in first lecture I would like to tell you that for buying and selling shares you will require a demat account. In today's world it is really very easy to buy and sell a share, but 10 years before the situation was not like that. If we talk about our father and grandfathers, they used to buy paper stocks. Yes friends, they used to have stocks of a company in written paper, so that's why it was named like stocks. They are having stocks of papers, but those are the material things. Right now we can directly buy stocks into our account just by a click of the phone. So right now you have to open demat account, that is dematerialized account. Dematerialized account mean there is no material thing you are getting, so that's why it is dematerialized account, demat account. Demat account is really very important to buy and sell shares. Friends, there are many brokers in which you can open your demat account like Angel One, Zerodha, Groww, but for the beginners I would like all of you to open your account in Groww. Friends, as a beginner I started with Groww because its user interface is really very easy and it's very easy to buy and sell in Groww application, and it's really very safe. If you want to open a demat account in Groww, then I will give link in the description box. You can directly open your account in Groww by clicking at that link. So friends, this is the first step in your investment journey to open a demat account, and for opening a demat account you should have a PAN card, an Aadhaar card and phone number linked to both of them. So friends, I hope you will like the first step. Stay tuned for many new exciting lectures about the stock markets. Please like, subscribe and share this channel among your family members and your friends. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, myself Dr. Nishant signing off. Stay blessed.